Munoshamisa yimime Messiah. Munoshamisa yimime Messiah. Oh, Munoshamisa ndimi Messiah. Munoshamisa ndimi Messiah. Yimi makatsendeka, oh ndimi Messiah. Makatsendeka ndimi Messiah. Imi munotigonera ndimi Messiah. Munotigonera ndimi Messiah. Oh, munotigonera imi Messiah. Munotigonera imi Messiah. I just thought of this song this morning, and in this world that we are living in today, iwo wakwanisa kumuka muzuva ranhasi, there is someone ari kuwisha kuti dai ndangokwanisa kumuka pandakarara panapa. I wish if I could wake up, and maybe he or she can do that. And there's someone who is out there who's on the sickbed as well, who's just wishing if they could just manage to wake up and wipe their face so that they can look good. But they can't do that because maybe they are not feeling good, they are not feeling so well. And you are happy. There's someone who's so depressed to the extent that they even want to commit suicide, just because life is not good for them at the moment. Maybe they are facing challenges that they think they are even much bigger than themselves. But iwewe wakwanisa kumuka, and you are feeling overwhelmed, and you are in good health, you are in good shape, and you are all happy, you are all excited. Maybe you woke up and you had to go to work and you had to do 1 or 2, 3 things. I think that's enough to thank God with, because He's a wonderful God. Vanotigonera, and He's a good God. Zvese izvozvo zvine umwe munhu ari kutozvishuvira. Whatever that you are doing right now, there's someone who's wishing if they could do that, but they can't. But iwe uri kuzvikwanisa. So I think that's enough to thank God with. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please pray without ceasing.